Turmeric. Turmeric is a vibrant yellow spice. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a popular spice derived from tree bark. Paprika. Paprika is a vibrant red spice made from ground peppers. Black pepper. Freshly ground black pepper offers a more intense taste. Mint. Mint has digestive benefits and can soothe stomach issues. Vanilla. Vanilla is a popular flavor derived from orchid pods. Rosemary. Rosemary is known for its antioxidant properties. Star anise. Star anise is a spice that resembles a star-shaped pod. Cloves. Cloves are commonly used in spice blends and baking. Bay leaf. Bay leaves have a slightly bitter, herbal taste. Nutmeg. Nutmeg is a warm, aromatic spice derived from the seed of the nutmeg tree. Chive. Chives are a delicate herb with a mild onion flavor. Chili powder. Chili powder can enhance the flavor of soups, stews, and marinades. Curry powder. Curry powder includes turmeric, cumin, coriander, and chili powder. Cumin. Cumin is a spice made from the dried seeds of the Cuminum cyminum plant.
Thanks for watching.